Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2967. Today's date is 19th of December 2023. It's almost like a night at 9:21 p.m. All right. So, what exactly happened today? So I did upload my project. Just upload my project. Okay, video is done. Everything is done. Editing, everything, the execution, everything is really good. Okay. Yeah. Uh, Tomorrow I will play Contraband Police or maybe Police Simulator. I don't know. I have to figure it out. But I'm guessing that after this artifact episode, I just have to upload a shorts. But I have to upload short and schedule for tomorrow. Okay. So yeah, this is all those things. All right. So we just directly jump to the questions because those questions are really interesting to talk. So let's talk about those questions. All right. Let's go. Okay. When did something start out badly for you, but in the end it was great? Okay, when did something start out badly, but in the end it was great? Like basically, is this question is actually asked about what? Like about like इसका मतलब ये है ना? Okay, let me like I just want to translate this thing. Yeah, I understand this question, but sometimes I realize that na कि usually I misinterpret the questions. Okay, so I just have to understand it properly. ऐसा कब हुआ कि आपके लिए किसी चीज़ की शुरुआत खराब हुई लेकिन अंत में वो बहुत बढ़िया रही? uh, what exactly is this thing? अंत में बढ़िया रही, like is this actually question about the career or something else? like basically is this thing na कि if I'm saying this thing कि um, I am doing YouTube for last 2 year. Okay, and at the beginning it was something really very horrible situation. I don't know how to make video. Like I do edit, but still the creativity, making videos and making creative videos is kind of like a two different thing. I didn't really knew that. At the beginning it was really horrible, but at this moment I understand what is my potential and what I can do. But still growth is not okay. Like I just have still almost like a 168 subscriber, which is also really good because a month ago I have just 97 subscriber and at this moment I have 168. So and the execution style I improve a lot. So yeah, like basically at the beginning it was really terrible, but at this moment it was really good. Okay, and it will be even something really even more good. Okay, like is this question is actually about the career or something else? But is this something really different than uh, I don't know. But if I could relate with this question with a career, so my this is a career because my previous career, okay, like almost like I started doing a job in 2016 as a maintenance supervisor in Khaparkheda power plant, and it was beginning it was really horrible, and in the end it became really horrible. Okay, then I just quit that. Then my another job, I started doing this job. At the beginning it was really terrible, but slightly day after day I improve a lot, and then I became a little bit of pro. But in the COVID happened, and then it gives a gap, and then I realized that I can do creative work, and I realized that I shouldn't supposed to do a job. So what I'm trying to tell you now, at the beginning it was really terrible situation, but once you started doing this thing, you realize you kind of like improve your quality day by day, and then yeah, then after that you will get like you will like this process. So yeah, next question. How would your country change if everyone, regardless of age, could vote? What? Copy. Sometimes ना some questions are really difficult to understand. यदि हर कोई उम्र की परवाह किए बिना मतदान कर सके तो आपका देश कैसे बदल जाएगा? How would your country change if everyone, regardless of age, could vote? I am 30, and at this moment, till this moment, I haven't really did a vote. What? Yeah, I didn't did a vote. Why? So basically, let me tell you one thing now. I wanted to do a vote. In our country, the average, basically the if you cross 18, then you can do a vote for your country. Okay. And in our country, we have established election after 4 year. Okay. So and also the problem with the voting thing is that you just have to vote from your hometown. Okay, you won't be able to do voting if you are if you are some other city, then you won't be able to do vote. You can only vote from your hometown. That is a big problem. Okay, because every time there is a voting, I am actually somewhere else. So most of the time I didn't really did any vote. Okay, in 2014 there is election. So will I be do a vote? I am really not so sure. Okay, because maybe I will be somewhere else, or maybe yeah, because my voting card is actually from the Wardha. So probably I just have to do vote from the Wardha. If I'm not in Wardha, then I shouldn't supposed to do a vote. Yeah. But the question is that regardless of the age, if anyone could do a vote, is there is any kind of a changes happen? Well, uh, usually let me tell you one thing. Why we have kind of like a age limit of 18? Because of that, before the age of 18, you can manipulate the people. What do you mean by that? Let me tell you one thing. Before the age of 18, you are kind of like a child. Whatever the people say or whatever your parents say, you just do that. Okay. You don't really have kind of like a something really opinion about what is right and what is wrong. Okay. And this question is about your country. Okay. Who is a person is actually good enough. Basically is that your parents says that click this, or do vote on that. So basically is that the children, basically I'm talking about the underage children, they can press this button, they don't really know what will be the consequences. Okay, so this is what the problem cause. Okay, after the age of 18 you understand what is actually the opinion, what is actually good for your country, and then you do vote. Okay, so if there is a kind of some sort of anyone can do what without any age limitation, then it will be really really big consequences. Because let me tell you one thing, in our India, underage people have so many people, so many people. Okay, so almost like entire population, uh, more than 20% of people are underage. I'm talking about under the 18. Okay, and they can easily manipulate with anything. Okay, आप छोटे बच्चों को कह दो कि भाई मैं तेरे को एक चॉकलेट दूंगा, you just have to press this button. They can do that. Okay, because they didn't really know what is at least this thing. So it will become really consequences. So yeah, so it is really essential to understand that ki voting has to be happened. But let me tell you one thing. Now there is a one thing that I wanted to do is that if you should supposed to do a vote in anywhere in the city, basically is that आप कहीं से भी vote कर सकते हो. If you could have that kind of some sort of privilege, then it might be really good. But still it's not really that much kind of like that. Because let me tell you one thing now, they make some sort of system like that why does you have to vote from your home crown or hometown. Because of that, कि a people who is actually from the hometown, they actually understand what is exactly develop, like what is exactly like develop हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है वगैरह वगैरह. Okay, so if I'm not, what I'm trying to tell you कि if I'm living in kind of like a different cities. Okay, यानी 6 महीने यहाँ पे रह रहा हूँ, 6 महीने बॉम्बे, 6 महीने पूना, चेन्नई वगैरह वगैरह. So I didn't really feel development. Why? Because after every 6 months we went from this city to that city to that city to that city. So I just started doing comparison instead of thinking that कि कहीं पे upgrade हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है. But if I am still living in one city for almost like a 4 to 5 year, then I realize that कि हाँ चलो यहाँ पे पहले रास्ता नहीं था but अभी रास्ता बन गया है. So all those things are actually happened when you are living in that particular city. So that's why they put that कि आप अपने होम टाउन से ही वोट कर सकते हो, एंड दैट इज अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली गुड थिंग टू. ओके, but dude, you have to do a vote. That is really essential. I know I will definitely, I the next year, there is a voting, I will be definitely come to hometown, like whenever I will be and I come to hometown and do vote. Okay, yeah. All right, next question. What animal would be cutest if scaled down size of a cat? What animal would be cutest if scaled down to the size of cat? Cutest animal. So let me tell you one thing now. Usually every animal or every species, every human species or every species of animal, bird, whatever, they are actually cute. Okay, like a baby elephant look cute, baby dog cute, baby rabbit cute, like everything is actually very cute. Okay, it's not depend on the scale, it's depend on their kind of like a cuteness is come from the when they are kind of like something really just born. Okay, as a human baby is still kind of like something really cute. Okay, but if that baby is grow, then still it's not that cute. Okay, so cuteness doesn't come from the scale down, cuteness comes from the babies. Okay, and every species has a babies, and whatever the babies, all those babies are cute. Okay, आप कोई भी स्पीसीज पकड़ लो, कोई भी बच्चा, जानवर, पक्षी, एनीथिंग, इट इज ऑलवेज बी क्यूट. ओके, सांप के बारे में मुझे नहीं पता, आई हैवंट रियली सीन द बेबी सांप. स्नेक, आई डिडंट रियली न्यू इट, but still okay. But the question says that ki if you could scale down any animal to cat, which animal would be look cuter? Just scale down now, I'm not talking about aging, I'm talking about scale down. uh well I like one animal, like I like a lion. Okay, but lion is kind of like something really very big. I'm thinking that ki what if I scale down lion to the size of cat, then it will be really good. Still it look good. Okay, lion is always be kind of like look really good, but still the lion has so much power. Still, if the scale down of lion, it is also even more deadly, even more, it's still deadly. Okay, so yeah. Okay, next question. If your job gave you surprise 3-day paid break to rest of the uh, reprocate, what would you do with those 3 day? Okay, I understand this question, but I just wanted to make sure that the things that I understand is exactly that it is or something else. यदि आपकी नौकरी में और यदि आपकी नौकरी ने आपको आराम करने और स्वस्थ होने के लिए अचानक 3 दिन की सेवाधीन अवकाश दिया है, तो आप उन 3 दिनों का क्या करोगे? लाइक बेसिकली दे एग्जीक्यूट दिस क्वेश्चन अ वेरी लार्ज, like basically if you wanted to execute that question in my tone, so like basically is that ki what if your office gave you 3 day of paid week, 3 day of 3 day of paid day, like what if paid day off, 3 day of paid, 3 paid day off. Paid day means like that ki like you can still get your money but you don't have to do a work for a 3 day, then what would you do? Well, basically, is this question is actually meant for the people who are actually doing a job. Because of that, the person who is actually doing a job, he has so many things to say. Like, I have to do this, I have to do that, do that, do that. And basically, is that every person who is really excited for the weekend because he knows that the entire week was kind of like really terrible. But जब weekend आता है, they feel really good. I also feel that कि when I was doing a job, मैं हर बार Friday, Saturday, Sunday का like आई एम रियली वेट फॉर दैट, ओके, क्योंकि लाइक बेसिकली पीपल हु आर डूइंग अ जॉब उनकी लाइफ तो बिल्कुल निग्लिजिबल रहती है, फिर वीकेंड ही रहता है जहाँ पे दे कैन लिव देयर सम सर्टन लाइफ, एंड अगर ऑफिस गेव यू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ पेड लीव तो it's really good. So what would you supposed to do? Like if you like you are asking this question to a wrong person. I am doing YouTube, okay, usually this thing ki my everyday is kind of like something really paid or every day is kind of like something really work, okay, so I don't really understand the gravity, like I won't be able to understand the gravity of the 3 day of paid leaves, okay, but the person who's actually doing a job, he can understand the gravity of paid leaves and he can do lot more good stuff. But still this question is actually asked to me, what would I supposed to do? Ah, that's why that's really difficult to think, okay, for me, because of that key, yeah, I am not doing a job, so yes. But still, if you would ask this question to me, so I will spend some sort of time with my friend, but still they have kind of like us, अगर उनके पास भी उतना वक्त होगा तो might be okay, but still I won't be able to still give the answer, okay, yeah. Next question. What's wrong but sounds right? What's wrong but sounds right? uh, नेताओं का भाषण, okay, like basically let me tell you one thing ना, जब like basically is this thing कि when I heard some sort of but I just wanted to like this is my answer na, but I just wanted to make sure what is a chat gpt answer. Might be chat gpt can give you kind of like a very good answer regarding about the creative thoughts, okay. Okay, now chat gpt is actually thinking okay, yeah, he's okay. Knowledge is a power and France is a bacon. What's wrong but sound right? What's wrong but sound right? Knowledge is a power, France is bacon. आई जस्ट वांट टू ट्रांसलेट दिस थिंग, क्योंकि शायद मुझे लगता है ना कि ये क्वेश्चन नहीं, दिस इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक सम सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक बेसिकली क्या होता है ना कि कहने का नजरिया ना, लाइक क्या गलत है लेकिन सही लगता है, सेम थिंग, ओके, क्या गलत है, लाइक आई डोंट रियली थिंक दैट कि दिस इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ क्वेश्चन, दिस इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ फ्रेज, वर्ड ऑफ फ्रेज मे बी, क्या गलत है बट सही लगता है, नेताओं का भाषण गलत है बट सही लगता है, आई डोंट नो, ओके, मे बी इट्स नॉट रियली दैट मच, यू हैव टू गिव द प्रॉपर आंसर, व्हाट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक गलत है लेकिन सही लगता है, गलत है बट सही लगता है, मे बी समथिंग दैट कि आई डोंट नो द आंसर, व्हाट्स रॉन्ग बट साउंड राइट, okay, I just wanted to ask this question to Google, पता नहीं वो क्या कहता है वो। पेस्ट। द आंसर इज, सॉरी, ओके, जनरेट हो रहा है ये, ओके। हियर आर सम एग्जाम्पल थिंग्स दैट आर रॉन्ग बट साउंड राइट। द वर्ड wrong pronounced right. Friction in the air cause meteor and spacecraft burn up and disintegrate in the sky. The moon gravity cause tides. Moon gravity caused tide. Like what's wrong but right? Yeah, that is also a really good example. Okay, let me tell you one thing now. Okay, so what's wrong but right? Okay, usually क्या होता है ना कि हमारे जो धरती पर लाइक द इन आवर प्लानट वी हैव टाइडल। ओके, हमारे धरती पे लाइक लहरें, यानी समुद्र में लहरें बनती है। ओके, टाइड्स। ओके, so how is this thing is actually happened? This actually happened because of the earth and gravity of the moon. Okay, so basically let me tell you one thing now. When the moon is actually revolve around planet earth, the huge amount of water is actually attract towards the moon, but because of the gravity of the earth is kind of like even more stronger, so it pulls back. So basically it create ripples in water bodies. Okay, and that ripple convert into tides. Okay, अगर like basically अगर मून ही हम गायब कर दे तो वो टाइड्स कभी बनेंगे ही नहीं। ओके, अगर टाइड्स बनेंगे नहीं तो हमारा जो पानी है वो खराब रह जाएगा। लाइक बेसिकली लाइक इफ़ यू पुट द वाटर जस्ट एंड लाइक बेसिकली ना जो स्थिर पानी होता है ना वो खराब हो जाता है आफ्टर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम एंड डे। ओके, अगर पानी को ज़्यादा दिन तक एक तरह से फ्रेश रहना चाहिए, लाइक इफ़ यू हैव टू पुट द वाटर fresh to the more and more days, you just have to put some sort of like a लहरे और some sort of tides. Okay, वही एक तरीका होता है जिससे आप पानी को एक तरह से फ्रेश रख सकते हो ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए। ओके, सो फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव टाइड्स इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली रॉन्ग। ओके, यानी जो समुंदर में टाइड्स होते हैं उससे लाइक देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। ओके, लाइक टाइड्स से एक तरह से लाइक वी डोंट रियली लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाट, क्या गलती क्या होती है। लाइक बेसिकली समंदर में जो लहरें बनती है क्या वो गलती है? नो, गलती तो नहीं है। इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली गुड। लाइक पीपल आर डूइंग सर्फिंग, पीपल आर डूइंग लॉट ऑफ स्टफ। इट्स नॉट सपोज टू बी अ बैड, इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग, बट या फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव या कभी कभी लहरों से एक तरह से हमारी बोट भी लाइक पलट जाती है। सो माइट बी दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली रॉन्ग, बट in the end layer is really essential for the growth of our planet. So in the end it's a right. So maybe this scenario might be work on that. Kind of. Most men never take pregnancy test because they think they can't get pregnant. Wow, most men never take pregnancy test. बेसिकली लड़के प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट नहीं करेंगे ना। हाउ दे सपोज टू डू प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट इज मेंट फॉर द वुमन, क्योंकि दैट इज रियली ट्रू। आई डोंट नो, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द अर्थ एंड मून इज टाइनी कंपेयर टू द कंबाइन डायमीटर ऑफ द ऑल द प्लैनेट इन द मिल्की वे। हाँ, एक गलत है बट सही भी है। देयर आर मोर बाय दिस क्वेश्चन इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली फ्रेज ऑफ word, so it's not kind of like a whatever. Okay, the most epic way you are seen someone quiet or be fried. Okay, still not understand this question. Okay, I just wanted to copy and then where is a translator? Okay, so translator is gone. आपने किसी को नौकरी छोड़ते या नौकरी से निकालने जाने का सबसे महाकाव्य तरीका क्या देखा है? व्हाट्स द एपिक वे यू आर सीन समवन क्विट और बी फायर्ड? आपने किसी को नौकरी छोड़ते या नौकरी से निकाले जाने का सबसे बड़ा महाकाव्य तरीका क्या देखा है? व्हाट्स द मोस्ट एपिक वे दैट यू सीन समवन क्विट और फायर्ड? मोस्ट एपिक वे, ओके, लाइक बेसिकली लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग ना, मोस्ट एपिक वे मैंने क्या होता है कि you are actually doing a job, you don't really like a job, you wanted to quit the job, okay? So what should you supposed to do? Should you quit the job or should you kind of like a some sort of like a fired by the company? Obviously अगर आपको एपिक दिखना है तो you just have to quit the job. And how should you supposed to do that? आपको सीधा मैनेजर के जाओ और सीधा कह दो बेंचोद लाउडे मादरचोद, तेरे वजह से मेरी ज़िंदगी ख़राब हो गई, ऐसे ऐसे नहीं. यू जस्ट हैव टू डू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग एंड जस्ट एपिक वे, नहीं करता मैं तेरे साथ काम, भोक में जा लाउडे. So this kind of like something really very epic way that you are actually doing this thing, okay? So ये एक होता है क्विट करना, okay? Kind of like something really epic way. फायर्ड करना एक तरह से एपिक वे नहीं कहा जाता है. फायर्ड वे मीन्स लाइक दैट कि कंपनी आपको निकाल देती है. सो इट्स लाइक बेसिकली लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग ना, बंदे की चोड़ तभी बढ़ती है जब वो एक दूसरे को गाली देकर कहता है कि बेंचो मैं नहीं काम करूँगा. सो उससे बंदे की चोड़ बनती है. चोड़ यानी समथिंग लाइक दैट कि द वैल्यू ऑफ द पर्सन, हाउ शुड सपोज, बट या बट इफ़ यू गेट काइंड ऑफ लाइक फायर्ड बाय द कंपनी तो आपकी चोट नहीं बढ़ती है. लाइक पीपल गिव यू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सिंपथी दैट कि हाँ चलो कोई बात नहीं, फायर्ड हो गया कोई बात नहीं, वी आर फाइंडिंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ डिफरेंट जॉब. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of like a something really different thing, okay? Like in the end the meaning is kind of like a something really same. In the end the process actually happened kind of like a something really same, but the people give you some sort of different emotion regarding about the different scenario. अगर आप quit करते हो the people are seeing that कि you are kind of like a something really tough ass kind of like a person, but आप fired किए जाते हो तो people give you some sort of sympathy. So that is a two different thing, okay? But for your consideration which is kind of like something really epic way, obviously epic way तो कुछ करना होता है ना, okay? Yeah, next question. But still, okay, I could maybe I will not be understand this question. So मैं एक तरह से चैट जीपीटी को पूछता हूँ, might be chat gpt can give you kind of like something really proper answer. I don't have a personal experience, but I have heard creative resignation, like sending a resignation letter written in a code, or creating a humorous videos announcing the departure. Okay, same thing, yeah, obviously. Next thing, if you couldn't be convinced of any one type of crime, what criminal charge would you like to be immune to? Okay. What could be convince, okay, I just wanted to translate this question. Dude यार कुछ questions ना, like it's really difficult to understand. Like I am actually thinking that ना कि मुझे अभी अंग्रेजी आती है, I can speak हिंदी, but still ना I am really not that good, okay? यदि आपको किसी एक प्रकार के अपराध के लिए दोषी नहीं ठहराया जा सकता है तो आप किस अपराधी आरोप से छूट पाना चाहोगे? स्टिल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. यदि आपको किसी एक प्रकार के अपराध ने दोषी नहीं ठहराया जा सकता है तो आप किस अपराधी आरोप से छूट पाना चाहोगे? इफ़ यू couldn't be convicted of any one type of crime, what criminal charge would you like to be immune to? Still not understand, okay? I have to ask this question to ChatGPT. Maybe ChatGPT give you proper answer. I don't have a personal preference, but some might choose something like jaywalking for light-hearted option given its relativity minor nature. Okay, yeah, I still not understand this question. What is exactly, if you could convicted of any one type of crime, which criminal charge would you like to be immune to? First of all, I don't want any criminal charge, okay? And अगर मुझ पे कहीं ऐसा क्रिमिनल चार्ज होता है, सो आई विल फाइंड सम सॉर्ट ऑफ काइंड लाइक अ वे टू इम्यून माई सेल्फ, बट I don't want to take any charges, criminal charges. No, nothing really at all. It's not really good. Okay, not for my career too. Okay, what's something that will always be in fashion, no matter how much time passes? Okay, so what's something that will always be in fashion? What something is always, I never really follow the fashion that much, so I didn't really knew about them. But usually Londo में या like basically in the male with we have kind of like a something really similar fashion. Okay, like we have jacket, shirt, okay, and pant. Okay, that's it. Like most of the time like these are kind of like a two clothes that we need. But लड़कियों में fashions काफ़ी change हो जाता है. Okay, like sometimes they are actually wearing um, jeans and top, sometimes they are wearing single dress. So usually लड़कियों में बहुत ज़्यादा fashion change होता है. So might be this question actually belongs for women. They could give a proper answer. For me, I won't be able to give because I didn't really follow the fashion that much, and usually मैं जो भी पहनता हूँ it kind of like a something really, yeah, अच्छा लगता है. So that's really just, I don't know, I might not know about that कि what is exactly the kind of like a fashion which is stay for rest of the life, or maybe which is kind of like a fashion that ki it always be what exactly. I think that ki it would be the मेंस क्लोथिंग. ओके, जो लड़कों के जो कपड़े होते हैं ना, वो माइट बी ऑलवेज काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग सेम, माइट बी समथिंग डिजाइन इन चेंज इन pants or maybe shirt or something this on that, but in the end it's kind of like a shirt and pant, or maybe jacket and pant, or maybe jacket and jeans, or maybe something like a t-shirt and jeans, or maybe I don't know. Okay, but in the male they we have kind of like a two type of clothes are always be there, so it's kind of like a something really constant till the rest of the life, or maybe till the rest of the फैशन एग्जिस्ट. या मैंने कभी ऐसे ऐसे कपड़े नहीं देखे लोंडो के या लड़कों के जो काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली वन पीस. ओके, या लाइक वी हैव काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ शेरवानी टू, बट शेरवानी में भी ये होता है ना, लाइक वी हैव काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली पैंट, राइट? आई डोंट नो, फैशन कैन चेंज. लाइक यूजुअली फैशन इज एक्चुअली मेंट फॉर द क्रिएटिव थिंग ना. ओके, अगर हम मान लेते हैं कि देयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक सम सॉर्ट ऑफ फैशन डिजाइनर हु draw a kind of like a cloth which is kind of like something really unique for the boys, unique for the men, that is kind of like a something really very unique. Lightly जैसे लड़कियों में एक तरह से सिंगल पीस होता है, वैसे ही एक तरह से लड़कों के लिए भी एक सिंगल पीस हो जाए. माइट बी, आई डोंट नो येट. ओके, या okay, next, what actor or actress play the same character in always in almost every movie or show they do? What actor, कौन सा एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस है जिन्होंने सेम कैरेक्टर प्ले किया है ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन? मे बी like I understand this question, but I still wanted to make sure that the things that I understand is exactly that it is or something else. Okay. Yeah. कौन से अभिनेता या अभिनेत्री लगभग हर फिल्म या शो में एक ही किरदार निभाते हैं? ओके, सो लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग. देयर इज अ like basically we have kind of like a some sort of movie series. Okay, जैसे Iron Man 1, Iron Man 2, Iron Man 3, then like basically in the Avengers, in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, Robert Downey Jr. play Iron Man, a same character always, क्योंकि obviously it's a kind of like a something really a same universe. Okay, मिशन इम्पॉसिबल या मिशन इम्पॉसिबल सीरीज में ईथन हंट जो कैरेक्टर है, दैट कैरेक्टर इज ऑलवेज प्लेड बाय द टॉम क्रूज, और वो प्ले होना भी चाहिए बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि दिस इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ सेम यूनिवर्स में होता है. ओके, बट यूजुअली लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग ना, कि ऐसा कोई भी किरदार नहीं है जो लाइक आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम यूनिवर्स. अगर सेम यूनिवर्स में है तो ऑब्वियसली दैट पर्सन हैज़ टू बी प्ले द एग्जैक्ट सेम रोल over and over again because it's in kind of like a same universe. But अगर हम different universe की बात करें, like what is that like universe? ओके लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग ना, अभी क्या ट्रेंड चल रहा है कि यूजुअली मूवीज आर नॉट एक्चुअली मेंट इन जस्ट मूवीज, मूवीज आर एक्चुअली मेक इन काइंड ऑफ लाइक ए यूनिवर्स. उससे क्या होता है कि एक तरह से वैल्यू बढ़ती है फिल्म की. ओके, मार्वल इज़ अ ग्रेट एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस थिंग. ओके, ही स्टार्टेड अ मार्वल सिनेमैटिक यूनिवर्स, और आज उसी की वजह से वी हैव काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ मोस्ट पॉपुलर मूवी इन द वर्ल्ड इज अ एवेंजर एंड गेम, राइट. सो दिस इज ऑल दोज थिंग हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. अगर यूनिवर्स में आप सेम कैरेक्टर हर like most of the time whenever the movie came, you just have to play the same character, right? Yeah, but I didn't really see a kind of like uh, a kind of like a person who's actually playing the same character, like maybe just like that ki jo the like basically let me tell you one thing na, um, genre is really essential. What is actually genre? Genre means like that कि the some actor is actually playing, some actor is actually acting kind of like a something really in same genre, same kind of genre movie. Like let me tell you one thing, Shah Rukh Khan is actually most of the time he actually execute a romantic hero. And yeah, most of people are actually resonate with this thing because most of people are connect with that कि शाहरुख खान एक तरह से romantic actor है. Okay, then Salman Khan is actually meant for the action, so yeah he do some sort of action stuff. Okay, सो या इसी तरह से एक तरह से सेम जॉनर में एक कैरेक्टर लगभग हर फिल्म वैसे ही करता है. लाइक आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द टॉम क्रूज. तो इन हिज एंटायर लाइफ करियर मे बी वन और टू एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ दिस करियर ही मे बी चूज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ रोमांटिक, बट देन आफ्टर दैट ही स्टार्टेड गेटिंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ recognition, he started making action film. तो he was kind of like a playing, he was kind of like a doing action genre for almost entire life, like a Mission Impossible, then Captain Maverick, sorry, Maverick, Top Gun, sorry, Top Gun, okay, Top Gun Maverick, and then um, Mummies, and there are so many movies about the Tom Cruise, and most of the movies are action movies, so they are kind of like the same genre of movies. So yeah, okay, so yeah, this is it. I'm being actually talking for almost like a 37 minute. All right, so this is it. It's been cold. Okay, what I supposed to do after the 35 episode? I will make short, and I just try to upload a one, so a short maybe, or I don't know what will I, because right now I'm a bit free. All right, this is it. Thank you.